Hotel Marriott for the most exciting part, the dinner reception. For our newlyweds in celebration of the beginning of their new life together. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the evening. By the way, I am Cherry.
And I am JJ.
We have been given the task by our couple themselves to be your MC for tonight. So,
On behalf of the couple and their parents, we would like to express the heartfelt gratitude for your presence. It is a pleasure to have you all tonight.
Ayan. So earlier at the church, we had an unplugged wedding ceremony. So this time we are happy to announce that you are all welcome to take photos and videos as long as you don't use the flash. And please do not interrupt our official photographer when taking special moments, especially the major events.
This will help our couple in collecting their wedding photos and keeping the memory of their big day alive. Again, please do include your post of wedding hashtag #BenGotNicole, BenGotNicholled. Thank you very much.
Yeah. If you do post on social media, please do include the wedding hashtag #BenGotNicole. Let me spell that out. BenGotNicholled. BenGotNicole. So before anything else, we would like to acknowledge the presence.
And of course, we are truly happy to have you here with us.
We would
Mr. Ron, Mr. Steve and Brett,
and Mr. Rodolfo Dominguez.
a round of applause.
And the pair that floated the groom grand entrance, okay?
Ay, sa gilid na muna.
I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true. Sometimes, oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love.
Celebration, and it is my distinct pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time the newlyweds as husband and wife. Let us all rise and give our warmest welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Ben and Rizal Baluna!
Luna? I still remember the day our path first crossed, April 9, 2023. It feels like it happened just yesterday.
I love your accent, Ben.
I like But at the same time, I feel like I've known you forever. The moment I looked into your eyes, I knew I was falling for you. There was something so real and magnetic about you. Something I couldn't ignore. Since then, we shared so many unforgettable moments. All those countless drives, you know? Just the two of us talking about everything and nothing. We've explored so many places together, each one becoming more special because I got to experience it with you by my side. Every mile, every adventure, every little moment has only made me love you more. And now, here we are, on our wedding day. I'm filled with so much joy and gratitude, knowing I get to spend the rest of my life with you. My partner, my best friend, my love. I can't wait for all the new memories we'll make together in the years to come. You are my everything, and I feel so incredibly lucky to call you mine. I love you today, tomorrow, and for the rest of my life.
Ben, now that we're here in front of God as one, I want to be grateful for having to spend our lifetime together from today on. Value promises, but today I will make vows instead of making promises. I vow to be patient kahit gaano ka man kakulit. I vow to be faithful kahit gaano pa ka-challenging ang buhay. I vow to try my best every waking day to be a good wife to you and soon to be a good mom to our kids. Ngayon, naiintindihan ko na kung bakit palaging sinasabi ng iba yung kanta ng Ben and Ben na pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Kasi ikaw lang yung gugustuhin kong makasama araw-araw.
Walang iyakan. Walang iyakan.
I know that there will be times na hindi tayo magkakaintindihan, but I vow to choose you every day. Thank you for being a best friend to me, who I can be totally honest without feeling any low, who has accepted me for all my flaws and never judged me, who has laughed with me through good times and comforted me through rough times. Thank you for being the best partner I have ever had. You make me feel loved and beautiful in such ways that are unimaginable. You gave me a fairy tale that never ends and butterflies that never fly away. You are my anchor, the one who keeps me still in every wave in life. Oh, to be loved by you is such a privilege, and I vow to do the same until I die.
Miss De Luna with their first dance.
Couple, the dance floor is yours.
And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world is ending, I wanna be next to you. Please promise tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world and next to you, right next to you, next to you, right next to you.
Ben, sit it with the kiss down.
Marami ka na. Marami ka na.
Right, again, a big round of applause for Mr. Alexis Luna.
Lord, we ask you.
Okay, the two hands moving as one with one purpose symbolizes that the two will work in unity to reach common goals for their shared future and their life together as one. You may cut the cake.
Kaya ba? Nalagyan ba hanggang?
Ayan, pwede nang magsubuan.
Uy.
The sharing of this food symbolizes the couple's willingness to fulfill each other's needs, creating a bond so simple and yet so strong.
Parang mas gusto ko ang subuan mo ata si Nicole. Kaya. syempre, dapat subuan mo din naman si Ben. Ay, gusto ko mas malaki. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin niya. Yung isang layer ng cake. Palakpakan naman natin ang konti.
Yan! 2 lives. So please intertwine your arms together while holding the glass of wine. This ceremony reflects your 2 separate lives that have become entwined, much like 2 glasses of wine combining to form one. You may now drink.
Cheers, everyone!
Cheers, everyone, to Ben and Nicole! As with a glass of wine, one of you may find it sweet and the other perhaps dry or somehow different. Let the drink you share today serve as a reminder that although you may perceive, seal it with a kiss!
10 minutes! Ben, no? Nakatingin ng ano mo.
Magkakabit pa kayo?
Before you are willing to put money on the couple.
Yan, pinapwede yan!
Piling ko hindi na kasha. Dito
Oh my
ako.
God, JJ, we are so ready!
Pwede sa harap ka.
Dapat wala kami makikita kulay blue.
Uy, maingay na
Wala dapat kami makikita kulay blue. Kapag may blue, kukunin ko. Kapag may blue, kukunin ko.
OMG, nagtitake na sila! May mga
Sarap ni
nakikita na
Kasal. No points allowed. Si Cory Aquino, ba't may blue? Ba't blue ang kay Cory Aquino? Ay, mahaba ba? Oh, sorry. Okay, oh, sorry.
Ano naman, JJ, total mo namin.
I was sorry pala. Okay. Yung mga walang pera, pwede din tira. Carl Gison Santiago. Sa akin. Ay, bakit blue? Dapat brown.
Mari Joyce!
Wow! Dito tayo space. I have space. Here. You can put me. Uy! You can put... Uy! Give it there. Magpapatalo ba ang kapitan? Magpapatalo ba ang kapitan? Siyempre, hindi!
Parang wala ng space, JJ.
Parang wala na nga talagang space dito. May space po ako. Ay, mamaya daw! Narinig ko yun, mamaya!
Wala siya eh. Sa kanya na lang. Wala ka eh.
Tita, ba't walang isipin? Walang isipin! Ay, gusto nyo ba? Marami yan, boy, marami na yan. Asa na? Debit card. Debit card, pwede isabit? Yes.
Yes.
You're the commentator. Umpisahan natin ang misa.
Alright, good evening everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Okay.
lady.
I'll try not to cry this time. Dearest Bebby and Ben, wow, here you are right now, a husband and a wife. Congratulations, and I'm so happy for you both. Grabe, time really got that quick. I realized that when your love story started, is that when our friendship started to, right? We became friends and deepened, and now here we are as family. That almost 2 years of being there for each other feels like we've been knowing each other for a decade. And now I am here standing being grateful and honored, not only as a guest, but you, Bebby, made me Bebby, good job on being such a great influencer to Ben. I witnessed your love story and I'm excited for more. Just continue loving and give up. You are just about to start the real adulting life.
First, I think it's Eileen.
Eileen is Eileen.
Miss Eileen.
We have an agreement, right? Yeah, this is bear with me because I'm not really prepared. But for the sake of you two, I need to try my best. And I'm not a good speaker, to be honest, but I'm a good joker. Like I said, it's too difficult for me to speak in English. I'm just kidding. Binig, congratulations. And thank you for having me tonight. And just to give you a story, actually we're flying to Philippines on the 25th, and we're not able to attend the initial days that were very special to us. Oh yeah. You know what my wish is always, right? I wish you all the best. that's you know, that's always every moment of occasion, I wish you all the best. Okay? And thank you. Me and Sasha are very grateful to have you since from the beginning of our friendship here in Canada. And thank you for your all support. Bin, galingan mo. Okay? May one question lang ako sa'yo, Bin. Kaya mo na ba mag-sorry kahit wala kang kasalanan? Kaya mo na. Okay. Yeah, very mature na si Bin compared sa first Bin na nagkita kami, and it's because of Nicole. Yeah. And I'm always here for you. Okay. I survived.
It was just a short message, but I guess, well, maybe for me, those who are not aware yet how us met here in Canada, so I will share this story how we ended up being close friends, almost sisters actually here in Canada. So way back April 2023, March actually. So we are actually dreams to have a Canadian dream. Faith brought us all together, and that's how our friendship started. So we are working in same company, and yeah, we got the chance. We live in one house, so kinakabahan ako. But I'm I feel so lucky to have them because, you know, coming into a foreign country without knowing anybody, God gave me these 3 girls that really becomes my support here, you know, when you are starting in a place that you don't know anybody and you're just starting by yourself. And I really appreciate Nicole and my other 2 girls, Sharon and Candy. We really I treated her like my little sister. Actually, she is the youngest in our group. So when the time, actually we are really part of the courtship of Ben to Nicole. So every time that Ben will visit our house, it is always like parang package nga, sinasabi niya. So when they have dates, sometimes normally I become a third wheeler to them, or it's always like the 4 of us having like group dates together. And so good job, Ben. So it's really like mas una niyang niligawan yung mga close friends niya. It's not just Nicole. He courted, but also the people that is living with her. So that's why I really appreciate Ben for that. And yeah, because of that, hands up talaga Ben sa'yo. And you know, I want to share with you that there are really a lot of times that we are having one-on-one love, love sharing, because what we told Nicole na once you accept Ben as your boyfriend, this might be your lifetime partner. So, grabing one-on-one, love one-on-one talks that happen. And, you know, we really need to think about it so much for Nicole. So, as her sisters, there are so many nights na talagang during our dinner time after work, lagi namin na pag-uusapan yan. And, yeah, I think it's really fate and God's will na you ended up together, and we are so happy and proud for the 2 of you, and thank you for having us here, and you know, this is really an opportunity to be part of your very special moment in your life. So yeah, congratulations, and sabi ni Ate Mugeti, we always wish the best for you guys.
Congratulations, guys. I'm so happy and proud. Among the 5 of us, ako yung pinakamaliit, I'm the smallest, pero ito yung sikreto. Ako yung ate nila. Which is, sobrang tahimik ko, but when Nicole needs na may sasabihin or any advice, sa akin niya muna sinasabi bago sa mga girls. Okay, pag ako yung laging nandun kasi, laging nandun sa bahay. So, which is, ako yung lagi niyang nakakausap din. So, advice ko lang sa inyo, kahit anumang problema, kayang-kaya nyo yan. Basta put God at the center of your lives. I'm so happy and proud. At Ben, I'm happy kasi si Nicole lang nakauna sa'yo. Best wishes, guys, and congratulations.
So, in all sense, the word godparents are guardians of faith. The bride and the groom should treat this role not merely as gift givers during nuptials, but also co-sharers to the promise of a lifetime Christian commitment. And the godparent who will give a message to the couple, let us welcome Mrs. Connie Pardo.
Siya ang may sala. Pwede niyo po siyang kausapin mamaya.
Interview? Paano nag-start? Sa podium.
Ay, gusto ko ba sa
First of all, I would like to say good evening to everyone and thank you for being here today. Because of these two, we are here today to celebrate for their matrimony as the union of love. So, I'm not supposed to be here, you know, but they made me do it. So, I knew Ben since before he met Nicole actually. Ben I knew him like a few years ago, and before we worked together, and he always come to our house. He's still like baby face or something like that. He's still got his baby chubby cheeks. You know what I mean? So he's so cute by then. So me and my husband and by the time we worked together, and then Nicole came to Canada like a year after that. So, and then I invited Nicole at our house, and like I said, Ben is always come to our house, like every day, sometimes few times a day. That's why I told him, "You're here again." So, but we love him, really. So when Nicole first came here to Canada, I invited her to our house because always, if Filipinos land in Canada, especially in Napanee, I always invite them to my house because I'm so happy that Filipinos come to Canada. And as I remember, there was only 5 of us. When I moved in Napanee from Ottawa, there's only 5 of us hanging out together, Filipinos. So every time that Filipinos come in Canada, especially if they land in Napanee, I'm so excited. It's like, let's go, let's find them, let's go meet them, something like that. So I invited them to our house. So it happens that when Nicole came and with the other girls, I invited them. And then it happens, Ben also came over without invitation. So it's then, "Oh Ben, we have someone we want you to meet." My husband said, it's like, "Oh, what are you talking about?" I told him. No, Ben is our nephew and we have someone for him to meet. It's like, "Are you kidding me?" I told my husband, yeah, okay. In the house, "Okay Ben, we have a guest. And we have Nicole. We would like you to meet Nicole." And right there, I knew it. Ben, like he said from his speech, he fell in love from the very first sight. That's for sure. And he admitted it from his first speech before, if you remember about that. So, yeah. And then the next day, Ben came over again after he met Nicole. We introduced him to her. Said he was walking like agitated in front of the house. "What are you doing?" I told him. It's like, "Ate Con, Nicole is so pretty." "Oh yeah, she's pretty," I told him. "And then what do you want?" It's like, yeah, she's so pretty. I like her. "Then what do you want?" Like, on our staircase by the door, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we sit there. "Come here, Ben. Tell me what you want." So we sat there. And then, "So, you want me to get her number?" "Okay, yes." He's still shy about it. "Okay, I'm gonna get her number." You remember that? Yeah, "I'm gonna get her number, yeah. Don't worry about it. But are you really sure about this?" I said, "Yeah, I'm sure. I really like her." So, okay, don't worry. And then that night, I asked one of the girls who knew Nicole's number. So they gave it to me. And then I gave it to Ben right away. So here is Nicole's number. Text her right away and just tell her whatever you want. And then the next day, he came over again to the house. It's like, did you text her? No, not yet. I don't know what to say. It's like, okay, like this. So I literally told him what to do. So it's like, tell her, just ask her, how is she doing? How's the work? Or offers some ride from work or to home. So like, okay, we'll see about that, he said to me. So right there, I don't know what happened next. But I know for sure he worked over celebrating today. That's why I'm so proud of you, Ben, and congratulations. And for sure, we want to see baby soon. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Connie. The bridge of their love.
Yes. Nothing can... Everyone! Dahil single ladies, tara na! Una na ako! Beshi! Single ladies! The lady in the back. Is ready. Like me.
Please repeat the music.
One ribbon and stand behind the bride. She will then cut each ribbon one by one, and the lady with the final remaining ribbon will be the winner. Okay?
She
Kung
will
sino
take
ang
the
matitira,
bridal
siya ang panalo.
bouquet.
Okay?
Makakakuha ng bridal bouquet natin. Okay.
Okay! Are you ready? Okay! Sino kaya ang unang aalis? Okay, naano si Nancy. Okay, pangalawa si Irish. Pangatlo si George. Pangat si Alicia. Pangat si Ate George. Let's sing now. Let's sing. sign talaga eh. Yan yung sign.
Miss Angelica, please take your place here. Alright. Huwag ka bahan-bahan wala na kayo mga kamay dyan! Please take off one of your shoes and surrender it to me. Ngayon na! Faster, guys! Bakit ang mabagal? Ayan. Okay.
Ang baba ako.
Ang dami naman natin itatago, JJ. Kailangan namin ang tulong.
Realistic mo laro yan, di ba?
Okay, gentlemen, turn around, please. DJ, some background music, please.
Sige na ako na dito.
Kailangan natin ang tago.
Diyan na kayo mag-iingat.
So, tama yun, men. After 20 years, 40 years, gusto ko, ganun pa rin yung excitement mo. After a long day, so ganun ka-excite makita si Nicole. Tandaan mo, ang kasal, ngayon araw lamang. Pero ang buhay may asawa ay panghabang buhay. Tulad ko, hindi lang ako ang best man mo ngayong araw, kundi araw-araw. So help me God. Cool kasi nito eh. Kidding aside, Ben, mahalin mo si Nicole. Alagaan at protektahan. Nix, mahalin mo si Ben. Pagpasensyahan at unawain. Love is not about emotion. It's a commitment. Even when time is rough, love one another. Lagi kayo magpatawaran. Kung merong hindi pagkakaunawaan, pag-usapan, always choose to forgive. I'm always here for you guys. I'm just one call away. Or should I say, I'm 3 hours away. From Alberta, lumipad ako papunta dito. Lumipad kami ni Mark kasi Ben is and Nicole is very special to me. Nung time na need namin ng rides, kahit ko nang tulog si Ben, isang sabi lang namin, nandyan siya. So, hindi kita matiis, kaya nandito ako para sa'yo. Ano pre? Ayos na ba to? G? Sabi niya kasi galingan ko eh. Para daw sa susunod na wedding niya, ako pa rin daw.
Thank you, Gerald.
Bago
So-
ko iwan tong stage na to, gusto ko pala magpakilala sa'yo. Meron kasi kaming ano eh, may team talaga kami. Ang tawag doon ay Team Dugyot. So, Mark, please come to the stage. Ano? Guys, dito yan! For Mark and Marvin! Onyx! Mga pala! Sige na! Talent! Vin!
Onyx.
Vin!
Kala niyo ha? Op! Walang magtatago?
Ba't ako?
Ba't may nagtatago?
Paniki ako? Oh, yeah. Okay, ito.
Sila po yung talagang close.
Mga unforgettable moments.
Hindi, yung sa akin na. Naiiyak ako. Bakit ako naiiyak? Hindi, kasi siyempre sabi nga ni Gerald, lumipat talaga kami dito kasi special kayo dalawa sa akin. Ang lahat ng babae. Louder? Tagalog lang No English please. I'm sorry. Pag hindi maintindihan ni Google, ano na lang, translate. No, I love you both, guys. Kasi sabi nga ni Gerald, lahat ng mga lakad, lahat ng mga kailangan namin. Even though na parang kailangan lang, kaya nandyan. Pero hindi, si Ben palagi nandyan. Tapos, everybody wishes you happiness. Yung sa akin, kasi siguro, may tinatawag ako ng 3-year syndrome ng mag-asawa. After 4th year, medyo may mga challenges na ng mga nangyayari. So, I wish you contentment para sa inyong dalawa. You always have to be contentment kung ano yung meron kayo na mag-asawa. And, yun, nandito lang kami, nandito lang ako, kahit anong mangyari para sa inyo. I love you both. Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, we came all together different province. From Alberta, from Saskatchewan. Yeah. Only for Nicole and Ben for
They
this
came
day.
all the way
Talagang,
from
we actually cherish every moment na magkakasama ka dito before. And then talagang Nicole and Ben, walang iwanan, alam mo yun, tipong pag naging kaibigan mo sila, walang iwanan hanggang huli. And then, at the last moment, with us, your friends, you know, we don't leave each other at the end. So, the only thing that I can say is, kinugil ko pa to. May your love continue to grow and your days be filled with laughter and joy. Congratulations on finding your forever love, Ben and Nicole.
Hi, good evening. Paano ba? Actually, nakapag-usap na kami ni Ben kanina. Nag-usap na kami ng one-on-one. By the way, ako nga pala si Marvin, my name is Marvin. Hindi na ako sugat. Dahil nag-usap namin ni Ben kanina, one-on-one. Nag-flashback sa akin lahat. Ewan ko lang kung naaalala mo pa, Ben. Dalawa, lagi tayo. Simula nung unang nakita mo si Nicole na binanggit mo sa akin na hindi ko lang alam kung ano, di ba? Sabi mo na, pre, hindi gusto ko. Parang gusto ko siya. Kaya lang, parang alanganin. Nag-uusap kaming dalawa nun, which is, yun yung first time na binanggit niya sa akin. Before that, actually, ako si Ben, actually, kilala na ako ng nanay niya. Ako ata yung pumupunta sa kanila. Pinapakilala niya ako doon. So, napakabait sa akin, Ben. And, I'm so happy dahil doon. Hindi ako magaling hindi ako mabuti siguro o magaling na kaibigan or tagapayo. Pero, that time na sinabi niya sa akin yon is parang, sabi ko, why not? Nasubukan mo. Wala namang masama eh. Hindi ka mananalo kung hindi ka susugal sa ganun. Pero, siyempre, malay mo naman, di ba? wag mo munang husgahan yung sarili mo na baka hindi mo kayanin. Subukan mo muna, di ba? And look at that, what happened, right? At the end, last year lang, nagbibiroan pa tayong dalawa na, pre, huwag ka mag-alala. Pag kinasal ka, kahit anong mangyari, kahit saan ka pumunta, pupuntahan kita. Pag ako ay nangako, pangako talaga. Walang atrasan yun. At seryoso yun, lasing o hindi. Tama? Kahit nga nung sinabi niya sa akin, actually, na ikakasyal siya sa Pilipinas, kahit gumastos ako na kakalipat ko lang ng ibang province, susundan ko siya.
Huwag ka mang
Hindi ako nagbibiro nun. Pero, ganon kasi yung pinakita niyang kasi yung kaibigan ko. Yung nagbibigay sa akin nagbibigay sa akin ng importansya, pinapahalagahan ko rin. Naging parang kuya na ako sa kanya, na kaya ko siyang halos ipaglaban sa lahat. At pinapayuhan ko siya. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, kung papasok ka sa relasyon na yan. Kasi pag niloko mo si Nicole, parang sinira mo na rin yung mga sinabi mo sa akin. Tama? Naalala ko ba yun? Lahat ng sinasabi ko is yung base lang sa usapan namin dalawa. Minsan kasi sa behind the scene, nag-uusap kami dalawa, is naghihingi siya ng payo, nagkukwentuhan kami. Ako naman, in good term lang. Alam naman ni Nicole yun, sinabi ko na sa kanya nila dati yun, di ba? Lolokohin ka ni Ben, sabihin mo lang sa akin. Ako pa mismo bubugbog sa harapan mo. Di ba? Namamali.
Tama na.
Pero,
Nakakaway ha?
ganda naman umabot sa punto na ganito. And sumugal din ako. Hanggang dito, pinuntahan ulit kita. Para sa isa, sabi mo lang, actually sa December na, parang mahal ang ticket. Pasubo na naman ako.
Sabi niya,
Ang sabi niya kasi sa akin, hindi pa, naka-oo ka na dati. Sabi mo, umu-oo ka eh. Irirepan ba? Hindi, ayun lang. Ang mapapayo ko lang isang buhay mag-asawa, hindi yan parang kanin na pag sinubo mong mainit, iluluwa mo agad. Hindi lahat ng pagkakataon is dapat sumuko ka agad kung may dumating na uno sa inyong dalawa. Tandaan niyo yan. Mga bata pa kayo at marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Pero ang pagsubok ay nandyan lang. Labanan niyo lang yan. Ang mahalaga is magkasama kayong lumalaban. Actually, ang pinakamaganda sa mag-asawa is mag-aaway kayo ngayon pero huwag kayong matutulog ng magkaaway. Tandaan mo yan. Lagi kayong maging masaya. Normal lang nag-aaway pero huwag niyong pinapatagal yan. Dito lang ako lagi para sa inyong dalawa. Dati para kay Ben lang. Sinama si Nicole. So nandito ako sa inyong dalawa.
Package.
Para alamat kaya kong ibigay yan lahat, pero siguro sa financial, wala. Gets tayo dyan. Pero, congratulations sa inyong dalawa, Ben. Pre, nasabi ko lang sa iyo kanina lahat eh. Actually, nakapag-usap tayo. Salamat, pre.
Sabi, hindi daw siya handa, pero siya may marami sinabi.
Wala talaga eh, kasi nag-usap na kami kanina.
Dami sinabi. Talaga.
Voice of an angel like a silver.
that you turned into a better man now that you're married with Nicole. I always find you weird, adventurous, fearless, mischievous, and weird. You know, Ben and I were very opposite. He never cared what he wears. And then one day I came back from school and then he asked me, is this shirt looks good on me? How about this one? I think you're lying. And then I was thinking, there's a girl. And you know, being a sister, I was like, I have to find out who's the girl. And then Nicole, I'm like, ding ding. And then I asked him, like, who's Nicole? Is she your friend? Or is she your friend? And then Nicole, you know what he told me? No, she's the one. I'm gonna marry her. Like, hindi pa kayo doon, like, nanliligaw pa lang kayo, sigurado na siya. So, I'm very happy that sinagot mo siya kasi medyo nakakahiya. Nicole, I want to thank you for making my brother happy, for, you know, bringing the best out like from him, and also for showing him true love, like his first love, and hopefully last love. And Nicole and Jet, I want to thank you guys for giving me the honor and the trust to make your wedding cake. Yes. And I was very happy and excited when they told me because like, it's such an important element for their wedding. So guys, for future cake orders, please contact
May pa-promote?
Please put the orders in advance. It also have work.
Marketing strategy.
But Nicole, you know, I have your back. You know that. And I love you both so much and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Jocelyn. Our complete, our couple later.
Alright, couple, are you ready? Ready? Okay,
Are you
let's
ready?
go.
Okay.
When you met, who made the first move? Ben.
Si Ben.
Who fell in love first?
Oh, ikaw ang lahat ah.
Who planned the first date?
Oh, si Ben ulit. Parang si Ben ata. Ito kaya, who paid on the first date? Ay! Ay, parang iba ata ang mga delete nyo ah. Or baka pwede naman share. Ah, okay.
So, who's the first to declare their love?
Ben talaga.
Love at first sight.
Who is more organized? Ay, kala ka si Ben? Si Nicole.
Who's likely to apologize first after an argument? Ay, si
Oh, okay.
Siyempre naman. Babae ang boss.
Oo tayo. Who's the responsible one? Ikaw? Si Nicole. Okay.
Who is messier?
Ako?
Ben.
Who spend more time on social media? Both. Si Ben? Si Nicole lang daw.
Nicole lang daw. So who is more likely to start an argument? Ako daw, Nicole.
Si... Oh, both.
So who is the pickier eater?
Si Nicole. Who is funnier? Si Ben.
Who is louder?
Nicole. Oo naman.
Who's more stubborn?
Sinong matigas ng ulo? Si Ben. Who's the better cook? Nicole.
Kailangan mo matuto ng magluto, Ben.
Who's more likely to chill first after an argument? Si Nicole. Who is always right? You. What? Tayo talaga mga babae, lagi tayong tama.
Who has the crazier family?
Ayan, sige, pwede kayo mag-away dyan.
Both daw. Who snores the loudest?
Sila, mag-away kayo. Who wears the pants in the relationship?
Who looks better today?
Who is better at keeping secrets? Si Nicole.
Who is the bigger shopaholic?
Si Nicole. Who's more likely to forget birthdays and anniversaries? Ay, sino Ben? Sino Ben?
Nakalimutan na niya!
Wala. Who proposed?
Who will want kids first?
Si Ben? Alam ko naman.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Who gives the best massage? Massage? Oh. Okay. Si Ben.
Who takes up more than half of the bed?
Si. Who is the better kisser? Ay.
Who chose the honeymoon location? Ano? Wala.
Wala pa.
Wala po. Okay. Let's pick 5 people from the crowd. Wala ba kayong gustong itanong? Yung mga wild questions.
Sino gusto magtanong? O gusto nyo lumapit ako? Sino? Wala? Malapit tayo, partner?
Yeah.
Una ka na?
Si Ninang. Yung mga Ninang nga, baka may gustong
Oo.
itanong.
Kakalupit sa gabi.
Sino ang unang kumakabit maggabi? Nicole, ikaw daw eh. Uy.
Yeah. Since I was the reason you first met, and the reason why you are here today, I want to know, when is the finished product? I want to know, I'm excited. Even Kapitan is excited. He's just kind of lying right now. Please.
Anong sapatos dahil?
Yeah, it cannot be answered by the shoe.
It should be
Yeah.
answerable.
Tanong siya eh. So, pwede ako lumapit para may sagot? Ikaw lang sasagot o si Ben?
Yeah, it should start.
Si Nicole? Okay.
Maybe in 2 years.
Maybe in 2 years. Matagal-tagal pa. Gusto muna nilang namnamin ang bagong ang pagiging nila. Bago sila mag-focus sa mismong family. Gusto nilang matapos muna yung sa kanila. Okay?
So, who is most likely to cry during an argument?
Ay, palaiyak talaga
Oo,
mga babae.
iyak eh.
Yeah. Palaiyak talaga mga babae.
Ganon din ako.
Ganun din ako.
Ikaw ba?
Oo.
Move on your honeymoon.
Si Ben.
Okay, and final question.
Who's planning to spend their honeymoon in the Philippines?
Ayan. Sa Pilipinas daw nila
Yeah.
gusto. Okay, a big round of applause for Ben and Nicole.
But it is not always easy. It requires hard work, patience, and unwavering commitment to one another. But if 2 people are willing to put in the effort, the reward is love that will last a lifetime. And to my bunso, BJ, as in Benjamin Jr., also known as Ben, I'm incredibly proud of the man you have become.
Your father and I have watched you grow, overcome challenges, and become someone who make this world a better place. Thank you for being such a wonderful son, a brother now, husband. And to the beautiful bride, Lisa Nicole, thank you for loving my son so completely. You brought so much joy into my son's life. And I'm so grateful to have you as a daughter-in-law.
Oh.
I would also like to thank the parents of the bride, Mr. and Mr. Rachel and Blaise Manuel, for raising such a wonderful daughter. You've raised a kind, intelligent, beautiful person, and I could not have asked a better match for my son. Thank you. And to Ben and Nicole, as you start this new chapter, I know that you have the whole community of people who love and support. We're grateful for your love, and we're here for you always, mga anak. I forgot my glass. To love and to family and to a lifetime happiness. No, it's okay. Thank you all and congratulations to the happy couple. Merry Christmas, everyone. And cheers, I forgot my glass already. Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy. Mommy Lorema. That was such a wonderful message.
Baby, here we are, white dress and a black tux. First night with the same last name, every eye here's on us. And you look just like an angel, spinning round on this floor. Never been so in love, never been so sure. But baby, when our song ends, and the next one begins, can she have this dance? Can she still look for the next one? Just 3 more minutes for mama and her son. Yeah, she's gonna cry, so alive, 'cause in her eyes I'm still her baby boy. Yeah, you know I'm your man, but can she have this dance? All the things you love about me, yeah, I learned that from her. How to love, how to pray, how to be everything that you deserve.
Hello everyone. My family would like to thank you, all of you, for coming and witness this wonderful celebration of my daughter Nicole and my son Ben. So, choosing your life partner is the most important decision in your life. Naniniwala ba kayong dalawa doon? Yes, of course. Kasi mamaya o kaya bukas, iba na yung kasama mo, no? Hindi na yung mga mabit daddy mo yung makikita mo bukas. Ang makikita mo na bukas ay si Nicole. Right? And all success and challenges na darating sa buhay mo ay kasama mo siya. In short, kasama mo for the rest of your life. Many institutions like church, NGOs, and government are not in favor of broken marriage. Why? Kasi mahihirapan kayong dalawa. Eventually, pag nagka-family na kayo, ang mahihirapan na yung mga anak ninyo. Kaya ang simbahan hindi pumapayag na magkahiwalay kayo. sapagkat kaya kayong dalawa ay pinadlock sa seremonya ng kasal at ang susi ng kasal ay lagi ninyong iingatan. Marriage has regulations to follow in our family code. First, you must live together. Yes, you must live together in one room, in one house, or in one room. Baka mamaya, Ben, pagkatapos sa celebration natin, umuwi ka sa daddy mo. Yes. So, hindi na siya pwede. You must live together. Kaya si Nicole ay iuwi mo na sa inyo. Why? Ang marriage is to build family. Yan yun. Kaya kailangan iuwi mo na si Nicole para magkaroon kayo ng pamilya. Second, pwede ba tingnan mo si Nicole? May nararamdaman ko bang kilig? May kilig pa? Oo naman. Ikaw anak, meron kang gwapong-gwapo pa ba kay Ben? So may kilig pa at gwapong-gwapo. Ibig sabihin, love is not just an emotional feeling, sabi ni Je. Yes. The true love is accepting each other imperfection and loving the whole person. Ibig sabihin, yung kakulangan niya ang mas dapat mong tingnan para mahalin. Ano? Dahil pag may asawa na, hindi na pwede o lagi mo nang makikita yung kakulangan ng bawat isa. So akala ninyo, yung mga kilig-kilig na yan ay simula. So dahil sa mag-asawa na kayo, wala na yung masyadong kilig. So mas makikita nyo na yung imperfection o differences sa mga buhay ninyo. So yun dapat ang pagkaingatan ninyo. Tandaan na ang love ay hindi gamot. May expiration. Love has no expiration and love is forever. Okay? To be responsible in marriage, importante to communicate openly and honestly. Kasi sa bawat ginagawa mo, sa bawat pagkakamali mo, ikaw ang mananagot nun. Hindi yung partner mo. So, importante sa atin, sa mag-asawa, dapat open ka. Kung may gusto kang sabihin, kung may gusto kang parating sa kanya, so you must be open. Hindi mo siya dapat itago. At kung magkaroon kayo ng maliit na problema, you solve it right away. Ano? Dahil kayong dalawa lang ang pwedeng resolve nito. And lastly, laging binabanggit sa simbahan, fidelity and loyalty. So lagi na tinadidinig, no? Loyalty. So sabi nila to ni Ben, loyalty daw. Sabi ni Father kanina, nung sumupa ka. Temptation is around the corner. So, watch out ka doon, hindi mo alam kung kailan siya dadating. Hindi mo alam kung kailan mo siya mamimit, ano? Pag ang loyalty na wala, mawawala sa iyong LTF. Yung love, trust, and family. So pag hinayaan mo yan, pinasok ka ng temptation, that's it. Mawawala na si Nicole sa buhay mo. So ingatan mo yan, ano? Ilan lagi mo ingatan. At tatanungin kita, Ben, total andito naman na tayo. Yes, Ben, ikaw ba ay nangangako na hindi mo pababayaan, stand up, at hindi sasaktan at patuloy na mamahalin ang aming anak na si Nicole? Opo. Okay, for you, Ben, we are giving you our 200% to take care and love Ate Nicole, our daughter. So anak, sa'yo, Nicole, tawagin natin si Mami.
Mami, go na Mami. Akin na yung video. I'll do it for you, Mami.
Tsaka si Justin.
Go, Justin.
Yeah. Mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you so much. nga, naiyak. We love you so much. Mami, ka na tuloy.
Malalaki po ang age gap naming tatlo. And si ate was for probably half of my life is the only sibling that I've had. So, leaving you in Canada with another family is like leaving half of my heart and half of my life in the other side of the world. But I'm happy because everyone here treats us just like how you treated me. So Kuya Ben, everyone here, pamilya po namin kayo, even all the way from the other side of the world. So maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap sa amin at sa pagtrato sa amin bilang pamilya. Ate, Kuya, we love you. And we're always here for you. And pangako namin na pagdadasal namin kayo and that you always have our support. And I miss you every day. I remember months ago, hindi, baka last year pang hai, she has always raved about this place, na masaya daw siya dito. And it's true. Nung nakakasama ko siya dito, yung smile niya, parang nakakamiss. Parang, hindi ko nga alam, baka first time kong nakita na, ang tagal niya ngumingiti. And it does seem like your heart is really satisfied and fulfilled. And I'm very happy to see that while I'm here. So, sulitin natin hanggang January 4. Okay. I love you. Kuya Ben, we love you. Everybody here, we love you. Thank you so much. Baka may idadagdag ka.
They have already said it all. So, Anak Nicole and Anak Ben, we wish you all the happiness, and I hope God will continue to shower you with all the blessings, and sana matupad yung whatever you want for your family. And sana i-guide niya kayo with the right path that I know you have so many plans in your mind. I'm praying that God will show you o ituro niya sa inyo kung ano yung path that will make you happy and make you succeed in your life. I love you very much, both of you, and we, Mommy, Daddy, and all your family back in the Philippines are always here for you to support you with all your plans. I love you very much, Anak.
Thank you so much for the inspiring messages of Tito and Tita and Justine. Tito, you may now take your daughter's hand for the father's and daughter's dance. And the last dance.
First one to know, first love that I ever had. Spend my life dreaming, one day I'll be with someone as good as your dad. Now here we are, there he is, just a few steps away.
Again, let us give the parents of the bride and the groom a big hand for such wonderful and meaningful speeches and dance.
Bakit? 3, bato, pick!
Winner!
Okay, na lang. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay yan. Lima sila.
Lima sila.
Maglaban
ng isa! Pasok mo ng isa. Para may kalaban naman isa.
Bye na yan! Manager, bye na yan!
Okay, dalawa na.
Ayan ang kumain.
Mother of the bride and mother of the
Ang kumain.
Okay, Ito ulit.
Sino kaya ang matatalo?
Okay, wait. Talikod tayo. Talikod. Mami, talikod. Hindi niya nakikita. Okay? Talikod. Ano pa kami?
Okay.
Okay. On our two.
1, 2,
3.
bato, pick! Okay, harap. Sarap pa rin ako.
Bakit mo ba yun?
Bakit pa rin yung anak mo?
Ulit.
Binawi ng anak mo. Ulit.
Okay, yung kamay dapat nakataas.
Nakataas na.
Para makita namin.
Okay, para walang gaya. Okay?
Okay. 1,
1, 2, 3, bato, pick! O, taas.
Kaya na naman tayo. Okay. Okay ka na. Ay, bye, baby. Nanalo ba? Sino panalo sa inyo?
Si Chris. Beshi, hello.
Thank you, Kaydan. Okay, si Mami at yung nasa likod is 5. Okay. Okay na po.
Okay lang.
Mag-ihintay siya ng card. Okay, again. 1. Taas ang kamay.
Taas ang kamay.
1, 2, 3.
Bato, pick! Ano ba? Ayan, so partner niyo kayo ni Chris. At tatlo, hindi. Kung sino ang panalo sa kanila, siya maging kalaban. Okay. Ayan, okay. Champion. Okay. Talikod. Game. Okay.
Ay, nakarap mo.
Ibog ka muna.
Ay, nakarap.
Okay.
Kapit. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick! Talikod. Sige.
Talikod. No? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick! Beshi, Beshi. Nakita ko yan. Ulit.
1, 2, 3. Bato,
pick! Magdala.
Price ba yan?
Isa.
Safeguard.
Safeguard and alcohol.
Congratulations. Ay, ang galing niya.
Ang galing! Ano yan?
Bleach!
Bleach! Whitening.
Bleach cleaner! Whitening!
Congratulations, Bentor! Love you!
See the lights, see the party of all them. See them waving way to the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and the guy said, stay away from Juliet. You never staying on the stage, baby, please don't go.
Subscribe!
let's drive! Yes! Asyong Salonga! Nasa Saskatchewan na, hindi na Ontario!
I'm bringing sexy